How to create a light that does not cast shadows. In this video, I will show you how to create a light that does not cast shadows. Shadows are less likely to appear when the flash is aimed at the front of the subject. Changing accessories will also change the way the light spread and the quality of light. First, we place the Godox AD200 directly aimed at the subject. It's a hard light, so the shadows are clear and distinct. We can shoot a cool photograph. Next, we try using a honeycomb accessory. The light doesn't spread, so it looks darker all around. If you want the surroundings to appear darker, this is a great tool to use. Next, we use a barn door to narrow down the light. The light doesn't spread and the amount of light all around is reduced and darker. However, be careful because if the flash is not aimed at the subject, the face will also become darker. Next, we try using a milky colored dome diffuser. The light spread even more and the background looks white. Nonetheless, the light is hard and the shadows are distinct. Finally, we place a 150 cm large round softbox and aim it directly at the subject. The light has become softer, which makes the shadows softer, and they stand out less. Could you understand the differences when using flash accessories? By making the light softer, shadows will become less noticeable.